make sure I'm hearing it. It's not going to get any better. Come on, Chasney. Carmen. Come over here. Harlow. Harlow's like, I already know what I'm doing. I don't have to listen to you.
Okay. Water break.
It's exhausting.
All right, Harlow's coming. Well, now we can start. Oh, no, she's not going. She's going back now. Okay, so today we start the unknowns. It's like a puzzle. Some of you are going to have so much fun, you're going to want another one.
Right.
But today, your only objective is to streak 3 plates for isolation. Each of you will get a tube, and inside of this tube is a gram-negative rod and a gram-positive, either a coccus or a rod. And everybody has 2 organisms. Do not come to me and say, I'm ready, and then you only have one. You gotta have them both done, okay? We're gonna be streaking 3 plates, TSA, which is a recovery medium, everything will grow on it. PEA, which will inhibit gram-negs, and 40% of you have an aggressive gram-neg, okay? The other 40% have got a really hard on gram-pos, right? And then 10% of you have got both hard for both of them. So this is, so you're going to be using PA. PA will inhibit gram-negs, allow gram-pos, and then you're going to use McConkey. McConkey will actually inhibit gram-pos and allow you to differentiate the organism based on based on lactose fermentation. So remember, I showed you the protocol I gave you, and there's a breakdown of every single gram specificity morphology. There's a breakdown for gram-positive cocci that are catalase positive to staph. There's a breakdown for gram-positive cocci that are catalase negative to strep. There's a breakdown for the gram-positive organisms, the bacillus. And then there's a breakdown for gram-negs, and they get very specific. You have a gram-negative lactose fermenter that, and then you have a gram-negative non-lactose fermenter, okay? So these organisms are going to help you separate them out.
And the McConkey inhibits
Gram-pos and allows gram-neg, but then it allows you to differentiate the gram-neg based on its ability to ferment lactose. Okay? So I want you to do them in this order. TSA first, followed by PEA, then you do McConkey at the very end. That is in the order of least selective, least differential to most selective, most differential. If you do McConkey first, there's a chance that you might inhibit the others from growing because of this selectivity in the differential. Okay? So TSA first, then PEA, then McConkey. 4 quadrant streak for isolation. Be sure you know what that means. Be sure that you're going to produce a plate that's going to have isolated colonies. Right? Because if you don't, it's going to be really hard to work with these organisms. Some of the organisms are slow growers. That's why Myra always likes to do the unknown on Thursday, so it has 5 days to grow. Because if we were to do this on Tuesday and come back, about 20% of you are like, I don't have anything, because they're very slow to grow. This way you'll have plenty of organisms. I've already selected an organism for each of you, or an unknown for each of you based on your weaknesses. Okay? That's right. I'm gonna pick on your weaknesses. Because that's when you grow. You grow the most when you're challenged.
How old are these?
These are fresh this morning. Okay? How old do you want them to be? They're ready to rock and roll, and I hope you are also. What's your goal for today?
Straight. Isolate.
And which 3 plates are you using?
TSA, PEA, and back in those order.
In that order. Right. And tell me what the purpose of TSA is?
Growth.
Everything grows on it.
What's the purpose of McConkey?
Inhibit gram-negative, allows gram-positive.
Inhibits gram-positive.
inhibits gram
Oh,
positive.
you said.
I caught you, see? And then what's the purpose of PEA?
Gram negative
Gram
growth
negative
that allows gram positive. Inhibits.
You said growth.
Well, inhibits.
You said gram
Don't-
negative growth.
I know. I'm like that JP on your YouTube.
So, in just a minute, I'm gonna call your name, bring a rack to me, I'll put your unknown in the rack, and then you're good to do your stuff. Okay? Anybody have any questions? Yep,
PEA inhibits gram negative.
correct. Okay, and allows gram pos.
Lactose.
Okay.